What's up guys, Joey here for YugaTech, and buying things online provides many benefits, and you get to save on some miscellaneous costs associated with shopping offline. If you were shopping offline, you still have to pay for your commute or gas and parking, then you get hungry so you eat and etc. But when you shop online, you don't need to pay for any of that. Usually the only other additional expense you have is the actual delivery fee. But where else can we cut back on the total cost? Well, I want to talk about this really cool app we've been using lately to literally get some money back from your online purchases. Yep, I'm sure you've heard about it before. I'm talking about Shopback. Their app is all about saving money when you purchase goods and services online. So when you get something from platforms like Lazada, Zalora, Shopee, Foodpanda, Traveloka, and other places, you can get up to 30% cashback anywhere, anytime with this app. And what do I mean by cashback? Well, first, it is real cash. So when you get your cash back, you can have it deposited to your bank account, or if you want, it also works with GCash and PayPal. But how does it work? So, when you make a purchase at one of Shopback's merchant partners, where there is an offer for cashback, let's say it's 5% cashback, you pay the full price of your purchase, but 5% or whatever indicated you spent is credited back to your Shopback account. Then from there, you can have it transferred to, like I said, your bank account or GCash or PayPal. It's that simple. Now I'm sure you guys want to see us do a little bit of a live demo before you try it out yourself, so let's see it in action. So first, of course, download the Shopback app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Let's open it up. Okay, then we open the app. Click on the merchant of your choice. So there's a few things I have to get on Lazada for the office, so I'm gonna hit Lazada. And there it says we get up to 9% cashback. Great. So I'm gonna do my thing and click continue to app. There we go. And I'm gonna add to cart all the things I need. So I need a humidifier. Add to cart. And you might have seen in one of our previous videos, we complained about the lack of lights. So I'm going to buy a nice LED panel. There we go. Let's go for the YN600 Air. Add to cart. I think I also need an adapter, so I'm gonna add that to the cart real quick. There we go. So check out. Place order. Okay, cash on delivery. And there, as you can see from our total purchases, we now have cashback coming in from Lazada. So from our 3 items, we have a cashback of 15.75 pesos, 70.50 pesos, and 11.83 pesos. It's that easy. By just adding a small additional step to the process of shopping online, you can still save some money. We highly encourage you guys to go download Shopback and try it out next time you order something online. And if you choose to do so, hold on, if you use our sign up link in the description down below, you get a 100 peso sign up bonus. So yeah, go on, head over to the Play Store or App Store, download Shopback, and have a good time. You can also install the Shopback button for either Chrome or Firefox so that you instantly get notified whenever cashback is available on any of the shopping sites you visit on the web. So that wraps it up for this video. Let me know what you guys think about Shopback in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this video, please do drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Joey, and I'll see y'all in the next one.